The next exercise you're going to do is called the Planets exercise, and it's 8 specific experiments in watercolor. So the first one is filmed in regular speed, and then I sped up the other ones just to make the video a little shorter. The first planet you're going to do is a water bubble, so just do a circle with the water, and then you're going to add color, whatever color you like. Just make sure it's a little saturated, so not too transparent. Get it kind of inky, and then just dab it into the water. So you can see here I've just dotted in the colors, so the color sort of expands within the water bubble itself on its own. Just watch the paint and let it do its thing in the bubble. So the next thing you're going to do is color plus another color. So you're going to do sort of the same thing, a water bubble, nice wet paint, not too much. This is going to require you to really work on getting just the right amount of water to get your colors and inks to bleed. So this one again is just color and then pick another color. The next one you're going to do color and color again, but then you're going to add salt. And the trick with adding salt is to add it when the paint is still kind of shiny but not puddly. So you're just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, and when that salt dries, you're going to see that the salt kind of pushed the paint away from those spots. So the fourth one, you're going to start with a water puddle again. And you're going to end up adding black India ink, which is different than black watercolor. It's a lot more saturated. And I just put it at regular speed for this one just so you could see. It takes a while to get just the right amount of water. And you're really just going to dab the ink in. And the whole key with this exercise is just letting the materials work and play with themselves, so it's a more natural looking effect. Try to not push the paint around too much. You just want to have the right amount of touch in there. The next one, you're going to do water and then color and color. So this thing with starting out with water is you want to let the saturated paint spill out like you did with the India ink. So it's a way to get the colors to look a little more natural. The sixth is color and bleach, and the bleach does what you think it might do. It just kind of bleaches out the color. And the key with that, I just use a Q-tip and just sort of drip it onto the paint so the bleach flowers out. I tried to get a little more of a close-up here so you can see it. It really depends on how saturated your color is and sort of the quality of your paint as well. This one was just to get you to experiment a little more with drying times. So do the same thing, but try the bleach on the paint that's a little more dry. So wait a couple minutes or skip to the next one just to see what happens. Really kind of pushing yourself to just play around and see the different effects of time and materials on the watercolor paper. Color plus the India ink again, so it's right below the first one with India ink. You're going to do a color, whatever you like, and then add some India ink in there. So after you're done with these 8 planets, you're going to fill the rest of your page with planets of your own making. And I would really encourage you to label all of the planets that you've done, even the ones that were on the page. Label what you did, and then label everything else you tried out, even if it turns out badly, so you can use it in your final project.